Drawing is about filtering your observations from life around you and translating them on paper in your own unique vision and style. In fact, most great drawing ideas come from things we observe and draw around us, such as observing real life animals when you decide to go to the zoo to draw, or a scene when you're out in a city urban sketching. Drawing is observation. Before you learn how to draw, you have to learn how to see. And this means drawing from life, going outside and actually looking at things and drawing them. I didn't get this at first when I was learning how to draw, but over time I started to understand. For example, if you tell a kid to draw an eye, they will probably draw a classic looking cartoon eyeball. They're drawing an idea of an eye. But if you sat across from someone and drew their eyes in real life, you would probably look at their eyes and draw all its unique details, noticing and drawing all the intricacies and characteristics of the eyes. Knowing how to see is an essential part of learning how to draw. Strive to base all of your drawings on observations and not drawing an idea of something. Forget everything you know about whatever you're looking at and draw what you see. For example, if you're looking at a bird, it's not just a bunch of feathers with a beak. Instead, it's a completely unique collection of light, shadows, and textures, completely unique from any other bird you've seen before. Essentially, drawing is one of those skills where you need to jump in and learn by seeing and doing. Make carrying a sketchbook on you a part of who you are. Draw whenever you have free time. Sketch anything and everything. Find a drawing theme to explore. It can be anything interesting to you. What you draw doesn't have to be good or perfect. It has to be you. Every page in your sketchbook doesn't have to be a masterpiece. Most of the time as you're drawing, you're problem solving on the page. Embrace the imperfections. Of course, your drawings aren't going to look great at first, but don't give up. That's what is so great about drawing, is it's an imperfect medium. Eventually, you'll grow and develop your own way of drawing the more and more you draw from life. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.